Today we're going to finger paint a masterpiece like the famous artist Monet. For this craft you'll need thick paper like cardstock. You'll need some paint. I'm using tempera paint, or you could use markers or bingo stampers. And you'll need some kind of masking tape. To start, use your masking tape to create some kind of design. I'm making a bridge by tearing pieces of masking tape and arranging them across the page. But you can make any design you like, a building, a silhouette. Use your imagination. Maybe you want to make something a little more abstract. It's all up to you. Once you've got all your tape down, it's time to get our paint. Again, if you don't like using paint or you don't have any paint at home, you can use markers or bingo stampers as well. I'm just using some tempera paint you can find at the dollar store. Now, you just simply use your fingers and dab onto the paper, like so. Of course, if you don't like getting your fingers dirty, you can also use a Q-tip. If you do use paint, it's a good idea to set down some old newspapers or scrap papers first, to avoid making too much of a mess. You may also want to put on an old t-shirt that you don't mind getting dirty. When you're finished adding your colors, leave your paint to dry. Now that our paint is all dry, it's time to peel the tape away. Try to go slow to avoid ripping or tearing the paper too much. But if you do end up with tears, you can use glue or Scotch tape to fix most of the damage. And that's it. Sign your name and pick out a special place to display your masterpiece.